Some people, I have 3 live where I go share with you know. See, the first one I go share are with cousin Seonlee. That about 1 minute add to 2 minutes. Right? Seonlee, I tell cousin what to do. You know what I mean? Feel like cut and clear the crosses or whatever, cause from where they are, when I'm baby mother I put him on blast. The last baby mother, she named Come. She a expose him, say him got obey a man, and him and Shana Chin try to obey her and a bunch of things, you know what I mean? And say boy him go obey a man, and the obey man give him something for put in his pocket for anytime him come on TikTok and a play match the people them give him. You see me? And it look like say the bring down where she a bring down cause it really affect him, you know what I mean? But Jano, boy, may I tell you, nowadays the obvious thing still come like it's the norm. You know what I mean? So nobody not really look on that serious again. If I did first time, people would have maybe want to stay far from you and them way there. They see it because you don't know Jamaicans. Some Jamaicans not really like the obvious thing, but enough of them love it. See, after that, I go share with the real dog. You know what I mean? I style up Marvin the Beast. You see, the two of them have a back and forth a go on ever since a long time it a go on. You see me, but it reignite a couple days ago or maybe a week ago or so when a video go viral with Marvin the Beast and the next man a tussle over $20. You see me I say? So Real Dog talk about it. Marvin the Beast respond to him. So I guess Real Dog will respond back to Marvin the Beast and I style him. Also, Real Dog have a little sister where him say she are the brightest person under 30. You know what I mean? And what I'm share one video with she and him. She not there in the video. Him call her and him ask her what is the biggest word or longest word in her world, and she a say him she don't know. And sitting that video they did funny people. Me not like until all one time Real Dog ask her, say you not bright again? Seeing so people while him up on the live, she send him a text. You know what I mean? So she a go get married. Boy, Real Dog, he never really sit too, you know what I mean, well with him because I guess she are the smallest out of all of him siblings them and him overprotective. She, you see me, so we are go watch that. And him say Trabass use him also. You know what I mean? You know, I don't know if none of you remember the time when him and Trabass did have a boxing match. You know what I mean? I guess them did plan, Trabass plan it for him Trabass, you know what I mean, win the match and then Real Dog I go play the next match with him and Real Dog I go win it. So it's like they must do it half and half. Trabass I go get the proceedings or the proceeds from this match, from the first match scene, and the second match now Real Dog I go get the proceeds and I'll know nothing. You see me? That kind of mess up people. It better them did split everything 50-50. You see it? Because I think them the people them did pay if you go watch the match. You know what I mean? And Real Dog say him not getting nothing at all out of it. You see it? So the next video I'm gonna share with you know is Rosealee. You know what I mean? I think day before yesterday she come on live and she did a blast the school where her daughter go to. I guess her son got the same school also. You know what I mean? And most of the school or people who watch her live send police on her. You see me? And the school people them, I think. Yeah, she said the people them over the school. Either them are sue her or them threaten to sue her. So we're gonna kick it off with Seonlee and cuz. You see it? So okay. Watch this.
Blood clip, me I try help the man.
Charlie. Dog. You know, go in for the bomb clot.
Read Psalms 23 first, then Psalm 7, then Psalms 35. Are you good, bro? Believe me, man. I true me no
Yeah,
write them down, but me not read them yet, you know. That's why the boy deal with me for a
nobody
while.
in your life can hold it down, brother. You hold on your bumbleclad self. Your mind hold it down. Your mind powerful like everything in this world. Nobody can hold it down, boy. Come on, chat. One snipe. Ooh, China, big up yourself, man.
Alright,
Appreciate it.
cuz.
Come
That are
on,
the
chat.
real
Snipe
talk.
Seonlee, man. Bumbleclad. One wheel. One wheel make him stop chat now. I come up with Snapchat now. Oh, him bad. Him bad, man. Him bad. I see him name. Buckler, Browning, MVP, night chat. China, thank you so much, mama. Appreciate you. Wiz, big up yourself, no, bro. Dante,
Guys, no bother me
Marlon,
already.
everybody report that. Big up, you know.
You're kicking in my face. Nish, big up yourself, Mike, D, guys, everybody were top.
Bring me down, you know. Say, you know, bring me down.
Can't bring
You know,
no.
bring me down.
Nish never right there, no, me not win a match.
Come on, chat. You need to beat Seonlee, man. Oh, God, man. I mean, man, I cause boy, man, I try to comb my ear, man, and sit there, man. Me look different. I mean, man. I choose something, man. You be that my ID me show no. I mean. Come on, chat. Power tap, power tap, power tap.
Guys, I want to do something with that here right now, but me not know.
So, music are playing in the background, so alright, this is me I go end the party. You know what I mean? I end that one, yeah. So, boy, people, I feel like come kind of make cause I walk a whole long him head. You see it? Because enough people still not really accept the Obia thing, you know. If you're a young boy like that, I get accused, say, boy, him a walk Obia and them something there, it not look nice. You know what I mean? And say, boy, I go up on TikTok with things in him pocket and them way they forget gift, yo. It not look nice. You see it? And people, me not like, cause look weird with it, without the dreads, them, man. You see me, dog look different without the dreads. Me not like. But big up yourself, cause you know what I mean. I saw you got me G, but you with them, if you can, you have to take care of you with them. Cause we have to remember say cause now make no whole heap of money on TikTok like that, you know, people. You see it, so the baby mother them free, you know, say yo. And I think he moved from which part him used to live and I rent him up here, you know, so I feel like it's sticky upon him away. You see it. But me not really pick up for nobody still. Wanna tell me one thing, people. And we are gonna go over to Real Dog, you know. You see me? So I know say Marvin the Beast, him love climb tree and go on with himself. So Real Dog I imitate him and I mimic him. You see me? Jah know. And I'll tear off him marina too. So it goes.
Marvin the Beast,
Jah.
why? Me a go jump. Me say me a go jump. Miss. Hold on there. Beast at the beast at it. Beast at the beast at it. Hold on.
Jah, I don't stop.
Beast at the beast at it. Coffee mama Marvin. Marvin! Take on your beast! Move your dirty blood clot. No, bed. Shit up, self. You smell like a shit. Why? Jesus Christ. Why? Jesus. Oh God. I'm tired, Riz. Why? Oh God. Why? Jesus. Boy, I don't pay Marvin now. But that's thing, you don't pay me. Because I'm sitting here take walk. Marvin, sorry for your cost of the pay you. They must stop you take oxygen. Why? You don't pay, man. Wait time. Jesus Christ, let me catch your breath. But no, you don't pay, man. No, that's why man's a vex. Ooh. Jesus, I can't breathe. Oy. Oh God. Oh God.
Them fi pay man for real, man. I no lie. Them fi pay the dog. Me don't know what go down still. What go down why the man hold on the $20, but free up the man $20. Although him say him get back the $20 still. You see. Dog say him getting $20 back.
But yeah,
Yeah, I know.
you are invited.
See it ya.
Letter.
See it ya now, people.
Devani and Michael are getting married January. Negril. What about the blood clot is? I'm married, Devani, I get married. What about the royal clot is here? What about this? January 2025.
Oh,
Devani and Michael. No, these are 2025. So long people plan marriage. So I want a party. So if you have a wedding.
Dog, I call Devon here, you know.
Devani,
Yeah?
you getting married for real?
Okay, well, so me send you the invitation to save the date.
Akeem.
So you're sure?
Keep venue
You're,
already.
you're sure this is something you want to do?
What?
Yeah, alright. Me so short.
Yo, you look like say the argument did I go left a while ago, you know, people. You see me? Like Devon here say, what this man has said to me? This is my life. I can't make my own decision. You see me? But people, it look like say she are the youngest and the dog overprotective. You know what I mean? So really I say, yo, me know why you make a decision where you're not really ready for make. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people get married young and then them regret it. You see me? Although marriage is not a surety, say boy, the relationship are gonna last. You know what I mean? Sometimes people get married today and by a couple days them divorce. You know what I mean? I think an NBA player or NFL player, him get married. I don't remember how long him get married for, but it was a short period of time him get married for. You see me? So enough of the time you just have to just say boy other 1 year and get married. But me personally, I don't think I would get married unless it's for an opportunity. You see me? If me opportunity meaning if me and somebody fall in love and the person live somewhere else and me live somewhere else and I'm married, we have to married to be together, I will do that. But otherwise from that, me not married. You see me? I just made that.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we just accept you know, see, I say, your little sister grew up, you know. You know what I mean? And she have to make her own decision for her own big man.
Chevy, I didn't say that no. Me don't have to kill nobody, you know. I'm a little sister that, you know. Me don't want to have to kill nobody, you know. Me don't in it, you know. Oh. Well, me don't want to kill nobody, brother. Yeah. As my little sister, she not a nice good job. Her sister be lost of Jamaica, I think you want my sister. Ah boy. Ah boy. My sister at 28 and then there from them at 16.
Hold on there. So that ain't nothing to be concerned about then. She that old. You see me I say, and so long they are together, that about 12 years that. You see me? That a long time. You know what I mean? No second guess nothing go on or no questioning nothing go on this so. You see it, cause them they together long enough, you know. You see it, that's long. From them a teenager till them reach adult. You see it. So if them feel like them ready for tie, then nothing wrong with that. You see me? Me wouldn't have no problem with that if them together so long. You see it? Me wouldn't have no problem with that still. Me not lie. Me personally wouldn't have no problem with that.
None of my sister them not whore. Only my lesbian sister alone not whore. And she near in front. Well, I'm so cut back with my
Yeah, no. Uncle that the sister they did
my
that
sister
talk.
will make her see and cut
How you
up
about?
I make my cock up Mika. My sister took Mika aside and said, easy about buckle herself and Bill. Just so. Just so. Just so. And took down Mika. Mika wet up. Mama took down Mika aside and said, Bill. And easy yourself. Just so. One thing, man. Hey, wizard. Just so. Wet up. Unique. Mama wet. One thing, man. More of a thing, she make she got 3 bars there, but that's too much problem for me. Because she can't keep a woman, you know. So every minute she gonna get put out, I'm never gonna put her back up. You know what Jay? Eh? It alive? Alright, I'm gonna call him right now. Yeah. Mobile, no. Help hero. Help our hero. Jaja. Yo. When you talk about cook, when you say about cook, she can cook. My sister, lesbian one, can cook. But more of the time, I just not eat the dumpling them. I just, more of the picture when she eat the dumpling them and picture Annie and that woman. So I said, I don't want the dumpling. But you wash the rice and give me. Because when you wash the rice, you can't wash off with the rice.
Yeah.
So but you wash the rice and give me. You can't with the dumpling. You know when you eat the dumpling, you eat the dumpling. You know the way they see you. So I don't take a dumpling. I just go for the rice. Yeah, because when she need the dumpling, and she need the dumpling to with style, you know.
Yeah,
Yo! So I just say, I say, alright, let me go on. Let me take your rice. So look rice now, look over there, so give me. That's the man I said. Look rice over there, so. And give me now, look back. Lisa, when the live done, I'm gonna call you. I have something to say to you. After I'm done calling, I'm going to block your back. I know why you call on my phone. So, I go unblock you and call you, and then I go unblock you back. Yeah, so I'm done time to I can block you. Potatoes, spicy dog. For extreme big of a starfish strength, yeah. No, do it potato spicy, bro. Consistency, big of yourself. Nads, oh you take off your match. Oh you not find the match. Nads, you say you have match to be announced. And you take off a match. You not match to be announced. You want to go in a one box match, Nads? You can't go in a one box match, you know? Nads, hear me I say. Because, bro, you see, remember, you know, most of you only shoot for me alone. So if you don't plan on a big match, I probably me alone. I walk just a while ago, I catch me back. The man probably has said me mad to blood clot. The man walk past and said, this yo, them gonna call help people for me running, you know. You know, so one day I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna out here run and so white man just gonna skull go run me down.
So the dog soon talk about the whole Trabass thing. You see it. And upon a level, people, me don't feel like say a spy Trabass do it for. I feel like maybe you don't really have the time.
But that joke aside, you know, so one day I'm going out there run. And I'm look below, see some man jump out of water and just start run me down the door. Hey, when I run your fuck. Hey, a problem, you know, because when they man have you say man, you know. Hey, I had a problem running, you know. I run like, hey, I never run up on the whole time. I tell you, man. They can't catch me. I tell you, they can't catch me, brother. They cannot catch me. Come here, I run. Too fast. Too far. Hey, you know it's a big man thing. You know what I'm saying? A long time. Hey, let me show you something. You know what? Me run left Trabass. You better run. You know me run left Trabass already off camera. And Trabass beg me if turn on the camera so him can run left me. Everybody know in that race Trabass never win. Just for clear the air. Anybody did I park in morning? No say me run left Trabass before the camera turn on.
But all that matters is the people them see my run left you still. You know what I mean? Cause I think I watched that race there when them did race, you know. You see me? And Dawg, him did a put out the effort for win the race, but Trabass pass him. You see me? Look like him did boss. You know what I mean? It look like a one race him did have in him. And he might try the second round. And Trabass run with left him on camera. You see it? So I don't feel like say him make Trabass win the second race. I feel like Trabass will win him straight. You know what I mean? Because he put out all the effort. You know what I mean? But Trabass still win him.
When the camera turn on, Trabass said, he want to run left me.
I don't feel say nothing go so.
Believe it, bro.
I don't feel say nothing go so still. Big one thing.
In a boxing match, I believe that's true. Hold on now. In a boxing match, Trabass say, make me thump you and you run out the door so I think you can sell more. In next match, you knock me out. Until today, me wait for the next blood clot match. You make sit down people take you for blood clot. You make people take you for blood clot. Idiot, you look
this man.
fucking idiot, you. Eh? Trabass make much blood clot money off a boxing match, you know. Make blood clot now, you fucking idiot. Yo, shit pit. That's why they deal with you, so. Because you let yourself be build up other blood clot people, you shit pit blood clot, you. Put yourself for yourself for there. They laugh like I couldn't think a joke. Me say, remember on camera, me run out the door. Any boy tell me down, so me pop up, me gonna shoot him for my mother life. Fun game or joke. You can't tell me down, so me not get the money. What me I get turned down for? If you put it for me there, I'm gonna pop up, I'm gonna shoot in your feet. I'm gonna ramp in here, man. You're mad. Alright, Jackie, me come back. Jackie, me come back. Me there back. Jackie, me not chip. Me not. Oh. Jackie said, okay, come back. Jackie, me there.
Like your dog ready for chip and go up on a rant a while ago.
Well, I pray my father. Me not chip, man. Me there. Me not chip, man. Me there with Jackie. Jackie that bad. Me not chip, man. Me there, man. Man, we just have to put the door, man. No! Everybody, everywhere me go, me a share, me go to Barbican to buy food. Them say, me not give him out a chicken and meals again because it come like me I give you free chicken for Trabass stump you down. Me go a barber shop, my barber say, boy, Trabass stump you down. Me go to a weed dog say, boy, you don't look good, Trabass stump you down. What me get top down for? Anna, what me get top down for now? Me top down figure road for people laugh after me. Chris Vibes did it, Willie did it, everybody did it. So how me get the top down? For not all. Cause remember, you know, the next week supposed to be my match day. When supposed to him forget the top down. No, but when I know the match can't go on. Joke thing. Me never benefit off of nothing. Nobody want to see Roman. Me never benefit off of them yet. Never in no way. Because I always have my strategy to come up with benefit off of myself or out of my state. You see me? Oh, forget it, bro. Remember me get top down and run, go to the door, camera out there, me out there, balls up. Me can't breathe. Me can't breathe. Me can't breathe. All 6 bars I call me say, in here, so me get top down. No, we're talking a unique. All 6 bars call me. A style and use it, Munchy. 6 bars call me. Say here, so me get top down.
Me did watch the boxing match there for true. You know what I mean? Me did watch it for true, but Trabass Lego some hard thumping at that, you know, Real Dog try still, but it looked like Trabass did more fitter than him. You know what I mean? Agile than him. Real Dog smoked too much weed. Although Trabass burn weed still, but Trabass look like him more fitter than Real Dog. But he must say, you know, say I saw them plan it for Trabass win the first one and him win the second one. You see it? Because him run go to the door for real and I say that the place did too hot. You know what I mean? But on a level still, if a money did I make, everybody should have get money out of it. You see? Because I think I pay if you go in and Trabass did a try if he stream it on a platform. I remember if the streaming did work out. No, the streaming never work out. So him did put it on him thing. Yeah, him did upload it on him thing. You see me? So if money did make, you know what I mean, them should have split it 50-50 and the next event split it 50-50 also. You see me I say?
Me say 6 a planting. So a planting for we make a look of cheddar and we come back up and then thing there. Next week I feel me thump down. Me blood clot. You love company too much. True. Me say, hear me 6 and next week I my time for thump him down. Me blood clot. I know me I wait for thump down. You want to see me? If I make it thump him to blood, I know my hand no go so. A style a pattern, man. A style, bro. A style, bro. I tell you, bro. A style. Good, man. I want to tell you, man. Yeah, man. A style, man. A style, bro. Style, man. Sometimes you have to take style for billion, man. Sometimes you have to take some style for billion, man. Our billion, no? Boy, thump me out and run, go out the door to blood clog or drop. I might time to thump him down, you know. Trabass, me, I'm going to give him a real blood clot thump. When I sit there, I'm going to see and get a real blood clot uppercut. One real one. Thank you. Yeah, uppercut. 1548. Right, that's all. When I get your pen. Remember, I have to go to a barber shop, you know. I have to go do my little pedicure. You know, because I remember, I have to pick up a car today. I have to look a red suit. But I wonder if I do too hot for red suit. Because I want to look a track suit I did buy from last year when the place did cold. But you son what I do now, you can't wear red track suit when you think. Because them eat you, we kill your arm, you know. Them Sonia with the track suit, we kill your arm. So I wonder if we can go get one look purple red shirt. I want look purple pants, one look purple black pants. For matching with the look Jordan when I have, I want look Nike socks. Yeah, a style, if you have style, I'm going to look barber shop. Go and look barber shop and just said so. Yeah, no, my arm a bit better. You can see it was.
People, some I wonder, Florida no, thing there, you know, man, Florida no cold, you know. You know what I mean? Because Florida a hot place, you know, people. I feel like Florida hotter than Jamaica, you know. Florida sun hot, you know, people. I tell you know, hot like fire, you know, well hotter than Jamaica, yeah, man. Because you feel the heat like, you know what I mean? Like a right this of the Sunday. Yeah, man, Florida hot. You have some place in America where hot. You don't think Jamaica hot yet? Las Vegas, blouse and skirt. This so come like a triple time Jamaica heat. Me I tell you that. You can't stand up in the sun. People can't stand up and like what all under is shade hot. Remember me tell a certain time of the year. You see it? So we're gonna go over to Rosealee, you know, my people. Yeah. Cause a bunch of things are going on with Rosealee and our youth them at school. And I feel like say, as what she has said, that are going for real. The people them really watch our live and you know what I mean, go on with some of the things them because them really feel like them jealous or you know what I mean, or them feel like because you see Jamaican people, them feel like say, you know, when you're poor you have to stay poor and you know to rise, you know. You see me I say? Remember me telling you so. I go watch it and hear what she has say.
You're not supposed to question a minor. You're not supposed to question a minor without their parents' concern.
Consent.
And talk to them and say whatever them do them wrong. You understand? Because if you want to talk to the child, contact our parents. Me leave my number, give them have my number. The first day of school, the class teacher asked my number. So that not even our class teacher was informed about the situation. Can you go like people are idiot? I'm gonna compare so with this one. I yes on the grudge me for. I yes the beef. Yes cause the beef. Yes so. Me not do no, me not know some of you. And the day yes watch. But let me tell you this. Come eat up my pussy. Go for the CD and carry them blood clot come. Let me ask CD say if them ever give me $100 yet, I send the picnic to school. What the government of Jamaica do for me, Rosealee, yes so. You know never want to know. So don't let me come as a mad girl and I give a fuck afterwards. Because I do things them are sorry after. And can't bother because some bipolar sick man everything in a one crazy. In a one. You are question the child without the parents' consent. You are question the child without our teacher's consent. Because our teacher, who is our class teacher, have my number. She put me in a group. And if you have a problem with my child, let them call me.
I true short talk still with people, you know what I mean?
Don't sit
Not true, me not live nowhere. Not true, me not live nowhere. Don't sit and fabricate a lie for me. But me I said trend to uno over school. What can I check me a sent? All I said is wait till tomorrow when I reach over there. What I'm going to do? Go over there, go do what? Go and learn on my blood clot tongue. That's all I'm going to learn on my mouth. I'm going to know, say, don't do that again. Don't question my child when I'm not around there. Because you know big people want to lie more than them. Because I want to question them, I want to fix it, I want to puzzle it, and them answer how them feel like, so them understand, the same one sink them. I want to lie at self. I want to lie. No question, that's all I said. What kind of check me could have sent? Eh? The police come to me, the police to me a while ago say, it's not the school calling me, someone else. So I say, oh. So I swallow up on live and watch out my business and come suck me. Come put in the tongue underneath my blood clot pussy like a panty blood clot shield. You can't stop the progress, yes sir. You can't stop the progress, yes sir. Being fact that I'm poor on the internet and I look something in a life. You not try much, but I come talk about this and I come talk about that. You come think I need my money for put on.
So, where the people them send police a woman yard for? She have a right to talk what she want to talk, whatever go on in her life. You see what I say? She have all the rights. You know what I mean? And yeah, what she say the people them who maybe I watch the live, send the police them our yard. You see it? Further on in the live, she said a mother go over the school. That's what I say. And fear youth and Rosealee youth in her vibes. And the youth must lick Rosealee daughter first and she lick him back. And the mother come over there and make the picnic lick back the daughter and lick the daughter too. You see me, the school should have involved in a that. You know what I mean? The mother should have get punished because you can't come to school, come lick a little picnic like that. You understand? And what she has said about, you know what I mean, questioning the little minor, you know what I mean? That is wrong also. You see it? You can't question the picnic. Depends upon where you question her about still. You know what I mean? It depends. So make a watch some more.
Free for everybody. You don't have to have 100 followers to go live when you come here on my own. I build my platform from one. From number blood clot one to fucking anyway blood clot there. I build this with my hard work, sweat and bumper ass clot tears. You must time over your blood clot ball. No more time still I relate to my bumper clot people. I'm stressed out and depressed. And I go suck on no mama. So me not rich like blood clot biscuit. No sit down over in a sabotage and a plot. And I come talk about me a chatting blood clot school. What kind of school me a blood clot chatting dirty people? Go suck on no mother. Whole heap of time. Back at that. What the fuck? Come off of this blood clot, y'all. And I tell you about me need for blood clot, calm down. Come off of this. I'm going to suck for your mama too. Lift up off of this blood clot, yeah. Don't tell me for blood clot act on my blood clot platform. And me build this. With my heart sweat and bumper ass clot tears. What the fuck one of them I do like blood clot? From blood clot 12 to pussy clot 12. What the fuck one of them I rank? Yesterday 10 hour my blood clot though. 10 blood clot hour. From come on after 5. Me don't come off till I have 2 blood clot 3. Cause suck on no mother. Cause you can't stop this. You can't stop this. Some of the care what you want to do. You can't stop yes sir. No ask me no question. Me no want someone to question me. Cause you not with me. You know bunk up as if I live in my business and watch if me I win or lose the blood clot match. I'm not real. When you come for what I will God bless more than the time when somebody shoot at them. Come on. I'm not happy for me. When you come for do the things them. What the fuck? Come off of this blood clot. I hear sound of their blood clot watch. Go ring out to no thinking, mama. I was here yesterday. And I that do not nothing wrong. All I said was, Moderator just throw the girl them in the rubbish bin now. Moderator just throw the bitch them in the rubbish bin now. All I said was wait until I go over there, man. What kind of threat me still yes and saying? Me never tell nobody say me I go over the school go shoot it up. Me never said that. All I said was wait until tomorrow I go over there. Then me no can talk. And I saw the problem. And the media the problem. So why not talk about the media? It's here is the problem. So why you can't keep me in the hush? Never. I'm going to talk up 40 million blood clotting lawsuit. I'm going to talk up 40 million like you can't stop from talk. This is my platform. I build it. I build it from scratch. I build my Rosealee still about page from 1. And when I come over here, I never chase clout. I do what I have to do. I sit here and I don't do everything. So what the problem now?
Well, as to what she say about wait till she go over the school, that is kind of a threat. You know what I mean? That means you go do something. You know what I mean? Wanna tell me if me wrong, me people. And yeah, me just want to talk about this to people. Me don't remember which video when me do. Seeing and me I talk about independent. Me don't remember about the video totally still. But me remember say the people in the comment section I say when me I say me no know. You know what I mean, the meaning of independent. You have several different, you would say, types are independent. You know what I mean? Because if you work for yourself, you're independent. People are going to say, yes, you have to depend on customers. Yes, but you don't have a boss. That means you're independent. You are doing thing for your own. That's independent. You have people who are work for your boss. And them independent too. Because them not depend on nobody. If you give them handout, them are work for themselves. So them independent. You have a whole heap of different type of independent. So I don't know what in the comment section I say. You know what I mean? When you think before you type. You see it? You have a whole heap of different type of independent. That I just want to say.
What the matter to them for take off some of them girl and put them in a dust bin? Moderator, make the comment them run. Moderator, make the comment run. Don't lock it off. Don't lock it off. Moderator, make the comment run. I want some of them to get black and mute. I don't want them itch up your so. As you type them, you move them. No lock off, no comment, me no girl sit down and watch nothing. As them type, me them afraid for type. Me will help you if I you one day. Make them afraid for type. No make no comment run, no make them stay. As them type, them gone. Then make them come back tomorrow. Make them go build another account. Because evil day I saw that need to be destroyed. As them type, you move them. Simple. No lock off, no comment. Make some of them go on. Because when some of them there, if you tap them not tap. Them want to come for watch out my business. So block them. Block them. As them type, you block them. When I look 400 people here, nobody not shoot. Block them. Block them. Simple. Don't like have no comment for no girl come back tomorrow. Come go on like say. She the was something yesterday. I should never get for say it. Block them. As I read, and it not sound like it righteous just run the steel and cement, concrete up and throw it at the bin and flush it down the drain. Right there, so me go to authority. Take them off. Can me build my page and me build communication with people. And it's not all about money for me right here. It's respect goes along that. So no one I want no drunk crow. But still I'm gonna watch out my business and feel like say. Cause if I want to have no brains, I'm a millionaire, you know. And that's the problem. But you can't know my business. You still I tell them, why Rose have money, she have money, she depend TikTok over there, she have money, she have money, she have money, she have bad mind, no fuck. TikTok start now, you don't have to have no followers to start your life. You start to go on now. You don't have to have no followers to start your life. Me not stop from none of them to go on TikTok. Someone if you go suck a wood. Come in no one come on TikTok come set to blood clad people. Someone if you go suck a dick. But the person up a CD call the police. For me, come suck out my hole. Come near my...
Me not get the full story, you know, people. You know what I mean? Me don't know why the whole CDA and police involved and she a go over his school. You know what I mean? Me not get everything still. You see me I say? But it look like the people that watch her, you know what I mean, when I like her and I create mischief in the woman life. You see me? It look like say even some of the teachers them and thing over the school. You see me? Because them know her and know say she never have it and she dep on the internet the internet, you know, she dep on TikTok and I make a few shilling and them way there. Them not like this is say she really a move from which part she did there to a higher level. You know what I mean? And maybe because she vulgar up on the internet some of the time and cuss on them something that them not like her. You see? But you can't tell a person how to live them life as long as them are living at the confine of the law. You see me? Just mind your business. If you don't like a person, you don't watch them. It's simple as that. You know what I mean? But not just watch a person and bad mind them and try to, you know what I mean, be them downfall. No.
Come use a panty shit and it my bumbo and near me. Come near my pussy, come suck up my blood clad wall. The whole of town will sit down and watch up my blood clot business. And I call blood clot police. And I call see there for question my blood clot pitney. Will come near me, they shit them out of my body hole. You can't stop this. One got to go to the last wouldn't have nothing blood clot get. Because I want to ask the blood clot judge say, if I am not working, I'm on the media and I know a lot of people and I can start my life and people come and bless me. But what wrong with blood clot that? And if a girl come over here, I interfere with me, I put her in her place as I should. What wrong with blood clot that? Me there say blood clot thief, a gunman if you go look for. And the people them wanna send them blood clot. And the man them wanna send them blood clot pitney go at school, shit house bowl. Me don't want a bitch tell me for calm down, me never send call some uno. Lift up. Lift up. On the next blood clot verdict we are carrying name all about. You want to hear slung and hear me slung as over chatting school? Which one I want to over here slung as hear me chatting school? All that's what my mouth say. Wait till tomorrow when I go over there. And it never was a blood clot threat. Because I couldn't go over the blood clot school who were a pitney. Because in an argument with no blood, go behave any violent way for war or fight. More than when I go over them and lend one of them my tongue. Stretch it out and lend them it. I not go over there this morning. Me not go over there, you know. Me not go over there. You know why me not go over there? The last time, you know, say them stinking people of a civil guard primary. I got to take out last word for me. The stinking blood clot fuck out girl over there. I got hear this, I hear me still, I not give a fuck over civil guard primary. Me say, Mama left from our blood client and come let me pick me at school. Parent left from them yard. I come lick my blood clot picking over school and them I call suck cocky CDA. You know, someone I'm spit to and I say me here to you know. Me say me here mankind, you fuck. Mama! Mother! Lick my daughter! Mother! Parent! Lick my child! So hold up on my pitney and tell her pitney for lick my pitney. And then she lick my pitney. And it not go nowhere. All we talk to her and we talk to her, that's all. Them not call CDA, them not call nobody. You come suck my pussy. The whole on over that blood can come near my hole. And don't make me disturb the principal too. Cause it not nice. Don't fuck with my blood clot head. Wanna take me for me a idiot? Me a fool? Oh, never called CD and police them time there. She right for my pitney. Oh. So me a idiot. Okay.
You can't do them something there for real. You can't go lick people picnic at school. You know what I mean? You can get locked up for that too. Because if Rosealee is serious, she can lock up the parents for it. You know what I mean? Or you figure lick a little picnic because them lick for your picnic. You see it? And the school see that and don't do nothing about it. Remember, you know, them response for the picnic them when them there at school, you know. You see it, so you have to make sure say everybody picnic alright and not get abused or nothing like that. You see it? So that wrong for that parents they do. And enough of them because maybe them don't like Rosealee, you know. You know what I mean? Them go do them type of thing there. Because me sure say if I did a next parent where them know say would I do them something, them would go lick the picnic. Them said up you know if you frightened, and I don't lie.
Here. I think I know very happen. The mother lick my daughter. Her kids and them a play. And my daughter said, look boy, lick her, and she lick him back. And the mama come. And when the mama come, the mama tell her pitney for lick back my pitney. And when that not enough, the mama lick my pitney. She lick her. After she hold on upon her, after she assault her, assault an 8-year-old child. Assault an 8-year-old child. Hold on upon the child for your child, the child before you got the principal office. So the fucking blood clot principal, she cock up in a fear bomber crack, ras clot officer do. I wanna go there and talk about and we calling the parents and we speak to this and we speak to that. I say, I'm gonna go over the blood class, we're gonna say the pitney, but I lick him back. When you hear a different blood clot judgment. And through the man, I'm go over the school, I never see the pitney. But after tell me say they are school. Cause the same process with that do cause about no friend and nobody nowadays. I don't know talk nothing. No CD, no call, no judgment, no create. But when they start to go, I send threat to uno for what? Me no know uno. I move pin from the blood clot school, John Crow.
That you feel
that more blood clot though. How now wicked.
That you feel. You know what I mean? That you feel.
You know call police. No police never blood clot call. No CD never get involved. But through me there so, I make $1 $5, $10. This is the problem. When you come suck me. Come eat up my hole. The money that you think I have, I don't have it. Some of the money them want to think some blood clot have me not have it. You know they are so. I never say such a bad mind people. I'm grudgeful, I'm bad mind and grudgeful. The money want to think some blood clot have it no they are. Come suck me if you want to be at the school. That not have nothing for blood clot do with me. You can't go now. You can't go now. As 1 o'clock, drive a car, take a cab, run. Go on the next flight. You know there. Yeah. The one got to go to the blood clot lawsuit.
Them wrong for go to school with the woman
Yeah.
pick me still.
One go take out on the last suit for me ask the judge say when the blood clot woman they do when the woman Ronaldo don't make a black you. Don't make a black you, don't make a black you, don't make a black you. Don't tell me to stop. Me no dey yard, me no dey by your phone, click off. No tell me what to do. Okay.
As me say people I hear thing them they go lick the woman pick me.
What you mean by? If you just sit down and just go so. See me huh? Me alright. K not. See me huh? See me huh? You have to go call me, girl. You have to call me and stop type before the moderator then block you. Stop type, Rochelle. You're my auntie. Stop type. Ring my phone, Rochelle. Stop type. Cause them block you. Me now search for you and block you. When you see me come off alive, you ring my phone with me a talk. Stop type. I beg you, please. No type again. Cause we are take out the culprit them 1-1 and 2-2. Come here some bungle up. Watch us so. I watch out that program here. I watch us so if you see me bring fall. Watch you see when me attack. Watch you see when me attack. Watch take out the culprit them. Watch you see when me a ball. Watch you see me down fall. Watch you see me talk. Come my man kill me with blood clot lick. We want to take on out. You understand? Yeah. Cause I don't come for listen to my business. Yeah. So we want to take on out 1-1, 2-2. Don't come back. You smart way right, gentlemen. Man, I can move them out of the take you out of my present. Not like sister my own page. Come off. Come off of this dead dog. Come off. Take them off, moderator. One of them kiss them eat. Shake them head and even put a laugh in the emoji. Remove them. Anything was so negative, I gonna get black. I think it's a blood clot joking thing. I think it's a blood clot joking thing. I didn't do nothing wrong yesterday. The child came home and the child TikTok, I didn't do nothing yesterday. The child came home and the child came home and the child told her father what took place. She never tell me. She told her father what took place. And so the principal must lick the little girl. She look at the girl, she don't do nothing, you know. And the principal must lick her. She come home and bawl and a weep and a mourn. She come home and bawl and tell them the whole she bawl. Ooh, chef. I want her to take off her uniform. She's in tears. Me answer to myself, say, I don't know why the principal hit you. But it must something out of order you do. I never go over there got my motel now, you know. I do ask her where she get the lick or why she lick her. She said she for go home and that she do and she lick her. Most of that she say She said me for go home and she lick her. Me no go over there go say nothing. Up in the last year now, one pitney did lick her, the mama come over there, hold on pan me pitney, make the pitney lick the pitney lick me pitney. Lick her back. Lick her back, but you feel how it feel. Lick her back. Why you make the blood clot woman come and assault my blood clot child and lick her? No, true me I eat that, I true me on the internet. Which one? Come on for know, you know. Who know over that school cross the line. Me I eat that anything on one put out call me in the business. Come on them come. You never know, so that me want them come. Because some stay, you know. Me's a determined person. Me want them come. So me ask them, say, you, the mama come and one up on my child and make her pick the liquor. More than one time. And then the mama got turn to the pit and ask her, say, you eat that hat, that hat, that hat, that hat. So when I portrait as people over school, when I send my pitney, the pitney could have liquor and something wrong with her. When they tell me, say, oh, I never did know. I would talk to the mother, that's all. That's all you tell me. And we never did know we talk to the mother, that's all you tell me. That's all. Because to me an idiot. I'm just make it slide. Oh, we never did know we talk to the mother. That's all you say. That's all you say to me. That's all you say to me. The woman left her yard. Come assault my child. I'm not you want to call Bumba Rascal CDA. No see.
So people, alright, that's how we are going off that. I'm on a level still, you know what I mean, the school, them aware of what happened, and not no come out of it, it look like them have a pick for Rosealee. You see me I say? And on a level, she said she would have moved her picnic, she want move her picnic from there. You bet she move her picnic from the school because it look like these people, you know what I mean, pick pan our youth, because me feel like if it was any other parent or something happened to them kid where a parent come over the school, come lick them kid, something would have come out of it. It's either some warning to the parent or something, and then they would have talk back to the parent where our child get licked and make them know, so them talk to the parent and whatever, and the parent maybe apologize or whatever. It look like say them just say that and not do nothing at all. You understand? And nowadays, Pitney stop get lick at school. So what she say about the principal lick her daughter, Pitney stop get lick at school. You can't lick people Pitney at school again. You know what I mean? I think it's against the law. You understand? And I like one time. And nowadays, no parents no want you lick them picnic. You understand? You better you send them home and tell them to bring them parents come to school. And I like one time again. And I can't grow on and I lick people picnic them with it. Because I know every parent I go take it. You know what I mean? I don't do nothing about it. You see me? And maybe as I say, because Rosealee vulgar some of the time on the stream and I go on with her thing, people may see her and don't like her. And as she said, the school not too far from where she lives, so maybe them know her. You know what I mean? And them not like her. Although her picnic them can bad behaving too. You know what I mean? So if her picnic them bad behaving, as she have to talk to them and make them know say that not acceptable. You see me? But this need to start out before you go escalate any further, because police I get called CDA, I get called, people are threatening for sue, people are go over school, go lick people, it don't look good. You know what I mean? So some intervention need to go on. She need to go over the school along with the child father, you know what I mean? Meet with the principal and talk about this, you know what I mean? And come to some, you know what I mean, agreement or whatever. You understand? So, alright, that's how I got in it, people.